Hi, one of the requirements to complete exercises in your Outlook textbook is to bring in data files to Outlook so that you can simulate some experiences so you'll have the required emails and things that they are referring to. So what you're looking at is My Outlook, and I thought I would show you how to import that data file and use it, or open it and use it, and then delete it when you're done. So on the left here, I have a variety of emails. You won't have all these, but you should have associated your student email by this point to your Outlook software. Remember, you cannot use webmail. You must use the full version of Outlook that's saved to your computer as part of either your Office 365 or your regular installation. So to get that data file, we're going to go to the File menu, and we're going to use Open and Export. Open an Outlook data file at .pst there. It's going to open the dialog box and ask, well, where are your data files? So by now you should have downloaded your data files to a location on your machine. Mine is on the desktop. So there's my folder. I have all of my modules. I will choose Module 1. Only the data files are going to show, even though you have a ton more files in your Module 1 folder. But we're going to use Sophia. So we'll double click, it will open, and all of my emails disappeared, but they're not really gone. What's happened is it's made the Outlook data file as my primary active location. So if I click the expand arrow here, I will see the contents of that Outlook data file. It shows I have 3 new emails. When I click on the inbox, they will appear, and then I can use them and perform all the steps that are required in the actual project or activity. And you'll be using different data files. So this one was good for the module, but you need to get rid of it by the time you start the application exercises. So to get rid of it now, I will right click on the Outlook data file and I will close it. It will disappear. It's saved to my data file location. So if I did make any changes to that Outlook data file, the changes were saved to my storage device. So keep that in mind. If you ever want to go back through and repeat an exercise, you might want to get a new data file, re-download or do something like that so that you can start fresh. Otherwise, it'll contain all the changes you made. So now my inbox is active and I am good to go on to the next exercise, which may again require you to open a new data file. I hope that clears up any confusion. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.